Looking to enhance your home audio experience? Check out these top-rated sound systems, each offering a range of features to suit your needs. Here's a rundown of the best models available. The Samsung HWRQ990D is a high-performance soundbar that delivers immersive audio quality. This premium soundbar features Dolby Atmos and DTS-X technology, providing a three-dimensional sound experience. With a 7.1.4-channel setup, including up-firing and side-firing speakers, it creates a true surround sound environment. The Q Symphony feature synchronizes sound with compatible Samsung TVs for a more integrated audio experience. The HWRQ990D also supports 4K pass-through with HDR10+ for superior picture quality. The sleek design, along with a wireless subwoofer and rear speakers, ensures easy placement and setup in any room. The Klipsch KD Series is renowned for its exceptional sound quality and performance. These high-fidelity speakers feature proprietary Tractrix horn technology, delivering detailed and dynamic sound. The series includes floor-standing speakers, bookshelf speakers, and center channels, offering versatile options for any home theater setup. The cerometallic woofers provide powerful bass, while the titanium tweeters ensure clear and crisp highs. The elegant design with real wood veneer finishes adds a touch of sophistication to your home decor. The Reference Premier Series is perfect for audiophiles seeking a premium audio experience. The Klipsch KD Series is designed to offer high-quality sound in a compact form factor. These speakers feature Tractrix horn technology and aluminum tweeters for precise audio reproduction. The KD Series includes various models such as bookshelf speakers, subwoofers, and sound bars, catering to different audio needs. The injection mold graphite (ING) woofers provide deep and impactful bass. The minimalist design with a black matte finish blends seamlessly with any decor. The KD Series is an excellent choice for those looking for great sound quality without compromising on space or aesthetics. The Bose Smart Soundbar 900 is a cutting-edge soundbar that offers an immersive audio experience with advanced features. It includes Dolby Atmos and Bose's proprietary TrueSpace technology, which upmixes signals for enhanced spatial sound. The sleek, elegant design fits perfectly under any TV, while the built-in voice assistants, Alexa and Google Assistant, provide hands-free control. The soundbar also features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Apple AirPlay 2 connectivity, allowing for easy streaming from various devices. With ADAPTQ audio calibration, the soundbar automatically adjusts to the acoustics of your room, ensuring optimal sound quality. The Bose Music app enables seamless setup and control. Whether you're looking for a premium soundbar, high-fidelity speakers, or a compact audio solution, these top-rated models offer exceptional performance and features to elevate your listening experience. Choose the one that best fits your needs and enjoy superior sound quality in your home.